Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Niche Beauty Lab Transparent Lab Niacinamide Glow Cream. This product retails for $20. I'm super excited to be trying out some new formulations from Niche Beauty Lab. I first want to say they did send me this. They asked me to do a short form video. This review was completely my own choice to do because I looked over the ingredients, looked over what the Transparent Lab kind of stands for. I feel like it lines up perfectly with what I look for in skincare. I wanted to try out this product because they have some great nourishing but also acne fighting ingredients in it, such as zinc PCA. I mean, niacinamide is an anti-acne and soothing ingredient as well. There are so many great ingredients in here that I really wanted to try it. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. In this formula, they include a 5% niacinamide complex, a 2% amino acid complex, and then 0.1% ceramides. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description. It goes to their website, and you can also check out the full ingredient list in the description as well. Very interesting complex from what I'm assuming is more of a gel cream formula from what I'm looking at, from what I've seen people talking about. This product is seeming to be more lightweight and more on the light side of things, but I still like the great complex they included in here. So with that being said, main things I'm going to be looking for include: how does it feel on the skin? Is it nourishing enough for my skin? What's the feel and what's the texture of this product? And also, I want to see if it causes any acne or if it does anything with my skin regarding my acne. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. My skin has been loving it. It is a nice lightweight gel cream. From what I'm noticing, it's been providing enough nourishment for my skin during the day. I'm not using it at night. I did it once and I woke up and my skin was not nourished enough. I prefer to go in with something just a little bit more rich at night, because you can see there it gives a nice hydrated, dewy look to the skin, and it feels very dewy. Like, gives that nice instant nourishment, but it is just the perfect daytime moisturizer for me. And I have noticed, I've used it for about 4 days. I've noticed it's getting better and better with hydration every day that I use it, but still not something that I would use at night, just because I prefer something a little bit richer. This is definitely more of an oily skin moisturizer. And personally myself, I love that they used the ingredients they did in an oily skin moisturizer, because you could also use this if you're dry as a hydration step, which I've been doing at night. Like, I will still use this product, but I'll just go in with a richer cream. This feels perfect though for the daytime, especially in the warmer months. I feel like oily skin is going to love it. It is a great, nice, gentle niacinamide delivery to the skin as well. It gives a nice lightweight finish. I mean, it absorbed practically immediately, and it is 5% niacinamide, which is typically what I've seen dermatologists recommending using if you're gonna use niacinamide in your skincare routine, because it is in so many products. So this is doubling as a moisturizing niacinamide treatment if you need that. I mean, any skin type could use it, but like I said, it's feeling like at the moment, it's just gonna look different based on how you use it per your skin type. So I'm loving it so far. I'm going to continue using it, seeing what else I notice, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Upon first using it, I thought it was going to be a really lightweight, almost not nourishing enough gel cream texture, because it is very light. And at first, it doesn't leave any finish to the skin. It really does start working when you're using it consistently, and I started to see better benefits with it the longer that I used it, which I think is thanks to all of the natural moisturizing factors they have chosen to include in this, which I haven't seen in any other moisturizer to this degree. Additionally, I love that they used a 5% concentration of niacinamide in this. I feel like that A lot of people use niacinamide treatments in 10%, sometimes 15%. I haven't seen a lot of sole treatments in a moisturizing texture like this product at 5%. The only one I can think of is the Ordinary's 5% emulsion, making this a good not only moisturizer, but a great niacinamide treatment as well if you're wanting a more moisturizing and gentle delivery. I feel like it is the most moisturizing niacinamide treatment that I have seen, but also doubles as a wonderful lightweight moisturizer that I feel like any skin could benefit from just using it in different ways. Oily skin, I feel like you will be great to end with this product, as I feel like it is mostly intended for oily to oily leaning combination, but any skin type could use this as a more gentle purifying treatment, which leads me to my favorite part about it. I didn't personally experience any new breakouts, any consistent acne with this product, so I feel like it was at least safe for my acne prone skin. It may not be a universal experience, but coming from someone who is acne prone, I was glad to see that it worked for my skin. This is a wonderful lightweight moisturizer that, like I said, got better the more that I used it, and it's a pretty good price point attached to it. There are so many niacinamide gel creams on the market though. I haven't seen a lot that have this many skin identical natural moisturizing factors that this has in it, which is what I feel like makes it stand out from some others on the market. There are obviously so many lightweight gel creams out there. I mean, the Good Molecules electrolyte gel cream is what comes to mind. That one is a little bit more lightweight, while this one has a little bit more of a glow to it. It's more water to gel cream texture. Bubble also has a wonderful water cream that has great ingredients in it, but this one has a lot more nourishing ingredients that show better results over time. And so who I would really recommend it for is someone who's looking for a lighter weight water cream consistency, but delivers more nourishment over an extended period of time. If you tried other gel creams, water creams, and they haven't been nourishing enough for you, I feel like this one may be better to use over time, and trust the process with this product because it does give a nice glow. Also, if you're wanting to incorporate a niacinamide treatment into your routine, but you're wanting a more moisturizing form of that, this is a wonderful option. But like I said, the Ordinary also has a body and face emulsion at 5%. Doesn't have as many moisturizing ingredients in it like this one, but it does open up the opportunity for you to use it if you are looking for a more gentle niacinamide concentration. This is an okay staple moisturizer for me. I'm gonna have to continue using it and probably finish this product before I will be able to tell if I would repurchase it. I've tried so many niacinamide focused moisturizers, and it's not a common ingredient. It's also not a really standout selling feature of this product. Niacinamide is in so many products. I do like they include amino acids and great natural moisturizing factors in it, but it's still something that I'm going to need to finish to see if I would repurchase it. If you see this product in a routine in the future, that's because I ended up falling in love with it even more. I didn't have a bad experience with this product. It was just something that I feel like is really saturated in the skincare market. So it's not necessarily a standout product, but that's okay. Not all products are meant to be standout. It has a great price point attached to it. It has a great list of ingredients that I feel like would be designed for someone who is looking to rebuild your skin barrier in a very lightweight gel to water cream texture. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.